Our sales manager, Mary, she's going to tell us about these two awesome projects. So this is the project here. Take it away, Mary.
Above the shopping mall, now we have a ground floor where amenities are. Yes, we have amenities floor. You can see we have a very big garden of 3,000 square meters. That's about 32,000 square feet. It's very big, 32,000.
Wagwan, my people, ladies and gentlemen. So yesterday, I got a chance to walk around with my Jamaican friend who took me around Nairobi city. Because right now, there is a lot of ongoing real estate projects. So yesterday, he took me to two projects. One is Panorama and the other one is Pandora. So you know what? As we've always said, that Africa is rising and very many people are coming to invest in Africa. So we took this opportunity just to showcase our diaspora brothers and sisters, what is ongoing in Africa. So as we normally say that, we've got our brothers and sisters want to come back home, to buy property, to relocate, as we have always been sharing the Marcus Garvey dream, that one day all Africans in the continent and out of the continent are going to come together, even if not geographically or physically, but we are going to come together in one way or the other. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to showcase how yesterday was and all the projects that we visited. Next time, I'm going to also take you to other projects. Yo, Wagwan, my people. So today, I'm just going to take you through Nairobi because this was our many diaspora friends wants to come to Africa and settle in Africa, but they don't know how they can do that. So fortunately, I've got a Jamaican friend who has been living in Kenya since 2021 that is involved in the real estate business. So right now, I've just visited this Jamaican restaurant. And today, we are going to take you through Nairobi and we're going to show you some of the projects that he has been working on. So it's going to give us a lot of information about the real estate in Nairobi, Kenya. So our friends in diaspora, United States, Canada, Jamaica, Bahamas, Australia, you're welcome in Africa. But now the big question you're asking yourself, how are you going to settle in Africa? So I've got my friend Ramesh here, who is gonna introduce us and take us through the real estate project in Nairobi. So you wanna come in Africa, Mama Africa to settle, you can contact him and he's gonna take you through all the nitty-gritties. Wagwan.
Yeah,
man, so I'm happy today.
Yeah,
because you're going to take us through a journey and a tour in Nairobi and show us some of the projects you've been working on, because we've got many people want to come back and settle in motherland.
Yes.
Yourself, you've been here, you came to Africa since 2021. You've got a home now and you are helping people to relocate. So today I want you to take us to go and see the real projects. But before we leave, just give us a just brief introduction on what you're going to show our people today.
All right, family, peace and love, African family, peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ank Eru from Jam Tours Africa. Follow me on YouTube, family, Jam Tours Africa, and the website is Export Haven Realtor for real estate investment, real estate, anything that you have to do with real estate family. Now, in Kenya, I never seen nothing like this before, family. I'm so excited because I just happen to be in this. I never searched for this, it just find me after actually trying to help diaspora people settle in, interacting with the Chinese. I get to understand that they're having this actually real estate plan or option that they actually call an off-plan project, family. So off-plan project is that it is actually when you catch the apartment project at the ground level when them just break ground and them actually give you a discount and actually invite people to buy while they build. So meanwhile they're building, you can actually get a chance to actually pay 20% down and get like 2 years to pay. So if you catch them early and you're in the diaspora working a 9 to 5 and you have a little savings, you put in a 20%, and then every 3 months and every 6 months you spread the balance for like 2 years, family. So that's some of the advantage when I think about real estate. Like nowhere in the world you can go, family, and you have to have the full cash money to actually purchase an apartment. Nowhere in the world you can go pay 20% down, have your little business, have your little job, and every 3 months you come up with the deposit, the down payment, and when the project complete, you actually get a key and the apartment is yours, family. So, you know, I don't know if you guys know, but the UN actually moved their main quarters to Nairobi, and actually that's a big deal, family, because all of these UN meetings and stuff will be taking place in Nairobi. And imagine if you have a luxury apartment in Nairobi, when that time come and the diplomats them have to come from different country, now your apartment will be full up. You know what I mean? And when the UN people come here to work, they will be actually renting from you full-time, family. So if you have a furnished apartment, if you have your unfurnished apartment, you know what I mean, if you purchase an apartment off plan for, like, you know what I mean, 8 million Kenyan shillings, and when the apartment done, it's like no apartment look like that in Nairobi, and the price go all the way through the roof. They can double, they can sell it for 25 million, family. So it's so many ways to make money with the real estate. And you know, my favorite project right now that I'm promoting, it's called the Pandora project, family. We're going to actually give you a tour of the Pandora project. We're going to go and actually meet the sales manager to explain more with pricing and where them at. As you guys know, the showroom is almost finished. And with off-plan property, family, nothing lasts forever. Today price is not yesterday. Yesterday price is not today price. So if you catch the apartment with them just a break ground on the first day, you get a cheap price. If you catch it when them reach halfway, you get another, you know what I mean, the price is going to be up a little. And if you catch it when the show house ready, you know what I mean, you're going to pay more. And when you reach halfway and ready for done, they say them sold out. But them they really sold out when there's not sell them more half-plan, you know, apartment. So if you guys know what you're doing, I will show you something. You can reach out to my brother African Walk, reach out to Jam Tours, you know what I mean. You go on the website, experthavenrealtor.com, family, and actually book a free real estate tour. What we do free real estate tour, and we actually give you some perks with that, you know what I mean. And we also give you a free Nairobi city tour. So after the real estate tour, we actually take you and show you how Nairobi is set up, where your apartment is going to be. We take you on the tallest building in Nairobi and show you around Nairobi how the system is set up. So we're going to do that today and show you that, you know what I mean, Kenya is the place if you're thinking about moving back to Africa to relocate. So I'm just going to actually, you know what I mean, leave all of this for the sales manager to go through and show you guys. But I can just show you some of the amenities that they have, family. Spacious, 2 and 3, 4 bedroom. This is like a residence. You're gonna have a mall, family. A mall will be there for the residents, a mall for people outside to come. You know what I mean? They're gonna have a whole lot of stuff, family. If you can see the amenities, you know what I mean, it's gonna be state of art. Remember, I tell you that. So let's go, family. The showroom is almost done, and them almost sell out. I think after that showroom is ready, the middle of next month, early next month, they will be over. So if you watch this video and you want to catch on this, you know what I mean, 20% down and like 2 years to pay. This project will complete in like 2028, so you have enough time. And if you still not catch this one, we still have more other projects. This is Galaxy One. This is Panorama West by the same developer who's doing Pandora. So, you know, we're gonna show you Panorama West too, because it's where the office is. And then we're gonna take you a little bit, like 3 to 5 minutes around the corner. You'll have Pandora, family. So let's go.
All right. So we are going to take you and see the projects.
And then we're going to actually give them a Nairobi city tour, make them see what the city look like in Nairobi.
All right.
So, let's go. Stay tuned.
So at this point, my Jamaican friend has decided to take me to the site where the Pandora and Panorama projects are taking place. So family, those of us who are, saying they want to come to Mama Africa, these are some of the projects that, Kenya is working on. And remember, this is a place that many diplomats, have relocated to. And the UN has also been brought close to this place. So it's a very good place. So he decided to take me, and I can see how the projects are ongoing. So this is a part of Kenya that is known as Westland, where some of the big, housing projects, as far as real estate is concerned, is ongoing.
Yeah. When Jamaicans come and they say it's like me run Nairobi. Because everything to get done in Nairobi, we can show no Wagwan family. So let's show no Wagwan in Nairobi, so you know Wagwan, because me no feel you know yet. So let's go.
So here is where the project is, the office of the project.
Office, yeah, this is the office. And we're going to show them some of the past project that they're working on and the following project that they're coming up with. Hello.
So what my Jamaican brother is doing here exactly is just checking in. Most of the buildings in Kenya, once you check in, you've got to leave your details, just for the security purpose, So once he has done that, we're going to head inside the lift and go to the offices of the projects that are ongoing. That is Panorama and Pandora. As I've said earlier, those who are looking for, to relocate and also invest in the real estate, projects, this is what we're trying to showcase you. So once he has, filled all the details, automatically we're going to head upstairs. So stay tuned as we take you up and we're going to show you everything over there.
So this is gonna be Panorama West. It's a 2-tower. And as you can see, guys, that's some of them past project. Urban Oasis. When you come in Kenya, you see these. Perry West, Perry West, Riverside. Riverside 1, Lashra House. These are the nicest one. These are them recent one, and trust me, if you guys know Lashra House, it's very luxury, it's very nice. These are the loftel, so you guys can expect, some, nice finishing from these projects. Yeah. Hi Jenny, how you doing? Yeah, I'm fine. I'm here with my YouTuber brethren. Just come to showcase. And actually, where is Mary? Oh yeah. Where is Mary? Oh yeah, see Mary. So our sales manager Mary, she's gonna tell us about these 2 awesome projects. So this is the project here. Take it away, Mary.
So this is Panorama West. Here we are doing 1 and 2 bedrooms, and we have 20 floors, 10 units per floor.
10 units per floor?
Yes.
Yeah.
And this is the entrance. We have 3 entrances. The first entrance is for the ground floor, mostly Uber pick and drop. The middle one is for pedestrians, and the third gate is for basement parking. We have 3 levels of parking. Yes, and these are amenities that comes with this project here. And all amenities are on ground floor level. So here we have a clubhouse. It has a coffee area and a reading lounge. We have fully equipped gym, yoga studio. In between the 2 blocks, we have a beautiful central garden with water features. So this place is mostly for chilling out. This area we have 2 swimming pool. One it is main and another one is for the kids. It is heated pool. We also have kids playing area. 3 lifts in each block.
Or 3 lifts each block?
Yes, each block.
Yeah.
So, and this is how it's going to look like after completion. And yes, our 2 bedrooms are located in every 4 corners of the block.
In every?
4 corners of the block. The corners are the 2 bedrooms.
Or 2 bedrooms?
Yes.
Yeah.
The middle are the 1 bedrooms.
1 bedroom, the middle.
Yes. And the distance from this block to this other block, it is 12 meters apart. So here we made sure, even if the balcony is facing the other block, we made sure that everyone, they're going to have natural lighting and also angle view from the balcony also. Yes. And then this is where we are building Panorama West.
Also, this is where you're building it?
Yes, you can see
also
the progress.
The project is ongoing?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, here?
Yes. So right now we are on 4th floor level.
4th floor at the moment?
Yes.
Yeah.
And completion date is 2027 September. 2027
September?
Yes.
Yeah.
This location is more of expatriates people, diplomats, easy to go to the airport using expressway.
Yeah.
Yes. Also, again, with good returns, ROI is very, very good. Yeah, for the 2 bedroom, it can fetch you 150,000 unfurnished. That is Kenya shillings. For the 1 bedroom, it can fetch you 100,000 Kenya shillings. Yes. And right now, we are 80% sold out.
80% sold out?
Yes. So these are the layouts. 1 bedroom. This is our smallest 1 bedroom. Here we have the laundry area space, dining, lounge, and a balcony. Bathroom, dry area, wet area. So if you have a guest and you're using the bathroom right here, they will not interfere with you while they are washing their hands right here.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Then the bedroom, very spacious, fitted with wardrobe. The windows are floor to ceiling. glass. Yeah, giving you maximum natural lighting. Then this is the bigger one bedroom.
Oh, the bigger one bedroom?
Yeah, 800 square feet. Entrance is right there. You have your kitchen on this side, laundry area, dining, lounge, and a balcony.
Yeah.
Again, dry area, wet area, the bathroom.
Yeah.
We also have a window here, so we are getting natural lighting from this side to the bathroom side and also to the kitchen side. Our kitchen also has a window here. Then the bedroom, very spacious bedroom with large window, floor to ceiling, and fitted with wardrobe.
So these are the one bedrooms?
Yeah, these are one bedrooms. And then now we have the two bedrooms right here. It's very spacious two bedroom, 1,200 square feet. The entrance is right here. You have a corridor. You have a corridor here. You can decorate the walls with wall pictures, or you can put a console table. Then the shoe rack storage. This is a powder room for the guests.
Yeah.
The kitchen is semi-open kitchen plan. Laundry area, dining, lounge, and a balcony. So here all the two bedrooms are all en suite, no sharing the bathroom.
All en suite?
Yeah, they're all en suite.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the master bedroom. Its own bathroom is right here. Of course, it has a window here facing outside.
Yeah.
The second bedroom, it has a bay window kinda. So here you can decorate it with a swing chair or an office desk. Its bathroom is right here. Yes.
So allow me to take you to where the project is ongoing and the excavation and how things are happening. Thereafter, I'm going to take you to the next project, that is Pandora, and also showcase for you the model, how eventually it's going to look like. So let us go, ladies and gentlemen.
Welcome to Pandora site. This is our site. Right now we are doing underpinning excavation, and you can come. We see. You see the work in progress. And yeah, and this is our office and a show house. And it's going to be ready next month, end of next month. So we can proceed and see the office. Huh?
Office and the show.
Yeah, but the show house.
Oh, I mean the show house.
The show house is we won't be able to get inside.
Oh, yeah.
We can just see here and also the rooftop. You see the views. So you can see this is going to be our office and also reception. The way we did our renders are exactly like this. You can see even the floor, the tiles are the same color that we advertised.
Yeah.
That will be our reception desk. You can see that one.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then this is the floor plans or the model for the basement parking. We have 4 basement parking.
4 basement parking?
Yes.
So,
This is the road. Yeah, this is the road, Mudangari Drive. And this is where entrance is going to be for the shopping. Because this shopping is for both public and residential.
Yeah.
So here we have 4 basement parking. And
basement parking.
Yes, and we also have a separate parking. This parking here is for the public people who are coming to do the shopping.
Yeah.
Yes, so they are not going to mix up with the residents.
Yeah.
Then above the basement, we have a mezzanine floor.
Mezzanine floor.
Yeah, where now we are going to put up a shopping mall. You can see the shopping mall has a lot going on.
Yeah.
We have boutiques, restaurant. We have a supermarket of 1,000 square meters. That's big. And of course, we're going to choose the biggest brands. Yes.
The biggest brand of supermarket?
Yes.
Yeah.
And then, yes. And above the shopping mall, now we have a ground floor where amenities are. Yes. We have amenities floor. You can see we have a very big garden of 3,000 square meters.
Yeah.
That's about 32,000 square feet. It's very big, 32,000. That's a very big mall, garden. And the amenities that we have here, we have indoor swimming pool right here.
Indoor swimming pool?
Yes, we also have steam and sauna. And outdoor swimming pool. They are both heated.
Both heated?
Yes.
Yeah.
Right here we have a table tennis.
Table tennis area.
We also have a pool table, kids playing area indoor, and we also have outdoor kids playing area.
Indoors and outdoors?
Yes.
Yeah.
Inside the garden, we have a jogging track. So here you can walk around. This other side here, we have a 400 square meter fully equipped gym. On this side, you have a view of the garden, and you also have a view of the schools. Then at this corner here, we have a yoga studio. We have a clubhouse right here where people can host parties. At this corner, we have a cinema, residential cinema. And then here we have a book bar stroke co-working space. Mostly for those people who are working from home, they have a space here. Now you see above of this, now is where the residential will be.
Also above all this?
Yeah, above all this.
So the residentials will be?
Yeah, like first floor is fourth floor.
Oh yeah, I get you, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we can proceed and see now the main.
Also this now is gonna look now.
Yes. So if we carry this one and put it there,
Yeah.
it's gonna be the same as this. So you can see the road, it shows exactly the road is here, Mudangari Drive. This is not a busy road because it is a estate road.
Oh, yeah, you can see that.
Yeah. Then this is the entrance for the shopping mall. You can see there is a water features here, water fountain.
Yeah.
And the other side, the far end, is where residential entrance is. You can see it's totally separate from the commercial area.
Yeah.
So this will be the residential entrance. And
so
our
the residential entrance?
And our reception is gonna be here.
Oh yeah.
This is specifically for the residents only.
Yeah.
Yes. These are the 3 bedrooms.
3 bedrooms?
Yeah, this one. They are facing the estate road.
Oh yeah.
And these are the 2 bedrooms.
So they're the 2 bedrooms?
2 bedroom. We have the 2 bedroom that are facing the garden here.
Yeah.
And the road.
Yeah.
And we also have the 2 bedroom that are facing. Now this is where the school is. Yeah, this is a school.
Oh, the whole area here is a school?
Yeah, this is a school. It's very big because it's an international school.
St. Mary's?
Yeah, St. Mary's.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have the 2 bedroom that are facing this side, and then the 4 bedrooms. And you can imagine 3 and 4 bedroom, they are just 2 units per floor.
2
and
units per floor?
Yes, and 2 lift.
That's very like
2 units per floor?
Yes, and 2 lift.
very private.
Yeah.
16 floors.
16 floors.
Total units are 352 units in a land size of 1.7 acres. Something that you can't, this developer was so generous to make sure, with the space, because if it was another developer, they could have put up maybe 1,000 units, but here it's only 352 units. So making this area is more of a family area because of the surrounded schools that are around here. Also to go to the airport is very easy because expressway is right there. When you're going to the airport, it's only 15 minutes. When you're coming back, its exit is also on this side. So the location is amazing.
And also like strategic.
Yes. Yeah.
So let's talk. Okay, finish and let's talk about pricing. As now,
the prices for the 3 bedroom start from 24.61 million Kenya shillings, and 4 bedrooms start from 31.5 million, and 2 bedroom, because we have varieties, they start from 14 million. And right now for the 2 bedroom, we can say we are 80% sold out.
80%?
Yes, sold out, because they are on demand. And if you're looking for investment, the 2 bedroom is really good. If you're looking for living, the 3 and 4 bedrooms are really good. Yes.
So just one question.
Yes.
There is something I asked before. What do you tell like foreigners who want to come and invest in Kenya?
I would tell them that Kenya is the best country to invest compared to other African countries, because when you come to Kenya, many foreigners, they feel at home. We are so welcoming, very calm people, and we don't even mind their business, because without you talking to me, until I hear your accent is when I will realize, oh, this is not a Kenyan, and I will ask them, where are you from? And then that is, so it is safe for them to invest in Kenya. Yes, even to put up a business, it is easy for them compared to other African countries.
So foreigners are welcome?
They are
It's easy
welcome.
for them to put a business?
Yes.
To own apartments?
Yes. And also to start a family here.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Yes.
they also start a family?
Yes.
Yeah, man. So they are welcome to relocate and feel free at home.
Sure.
The policemen are friendly to them.
Yes.
Kenyans are friendly. Business environment, the government. Yeah. So family, you hear that?
Yeah.
And Kenya is the way to go. And she's saying like the 4 bedrooms are 80%.
2 bedrooms are 80% sold out. 3 and 4 bedroom, we can say 30%.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
So there's a lot of room for 3 and 4 bedroom families. So if you need to get a 2 bedroom, you have to hurry up now. Because the showroom will be ready when?
The show house is going to be ready next month, end of next month,
End of
yes.
next month, and then the price will go up, right?
Yeah, the price is going to increase also. Yeah. Yes.
You guys know what to do. Next is to link up with John, to link up with African Awoke, and actually, get some more information, get your offer letter, and lock in your spot. So if somebody want to buy, explain now, Mary.
Or if someone wants to buy, you we will share a sales chart with you. You choose a unit, and we calculate for you. Of course, we are giving you a discount. And then after that, you can book it with an offer letter, which expires within 7 days. You can consider it. After that, after you do your due diligence, then now you can make your payment plan, payment deposit. And we are very responsive. When you make payment with us, we normally make sure that you get a receipt the same day. Yeah, if the money reflects to our account, of course, we're gonna share with you a receipt. And every end of the month, we share the progress of our project.
So ladies and gentlemen, you've seen those 2 projects that are ongoing, and the first one was the Panorama, and this one now where we are is the Pandora. Now these are units that are coming up, the real estate projects in Kenya, and I just decided to showcase this so that at least our people in the diaspora can also see how Africa is fast rising and fast developing, because it's a point and we've got now to depend on our own media. So I just brought you here to showcase what is happening, and these are just 2 projects. The other time or next time, I'm going to also take you through other projects, because we've got a lot of projects that are ongoing in Kenya. And this is the time to share with my diaspora brothers and sisters, that when they come back home, there are also some things they can invest in, like the real estate, and even to purchase a house, ladies and gentlemen, to stay or to even rent it out. So ladies and gentlemen, as we always say, the Marcus Garvey dream is coming to a reality. Goodbye, my people.